welcome to the Bigger Brains course, Mastering Excel 365 Intermediate. My name is Kathy Jones. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer, and I've been consulting on and teaching Excel for over 25 years. Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool for analyzing data, and I'm excited to teach you how to use some of its features. This course is intended for users who are comfortable using Excel and want to learn additional features. We'll start with some editing features in Excel, such as flash fill, text to columns, finding, sorting, and filtering, and using proofing tools. Next, we'll customize our views by freezing and splitting panes, working with multiple windows, and creating custom views. From there, we'll look at customizing number formats and adding conditional formatting to text and dates. We'll also look at ways to customize conditional formatting by managing the rules and adding functions. Next, we'll dig into nesting functions and learn how to use statistical and advanced logical functions. Then, we'll look at how to add chart elements and format a chart. We'll also add sparklines, graphics, and SmartArt to our worksheets. Next, we'll create and modify tables, pivot tables, and web queries. Then, we'll look at special features to help us share files and collaborate, including comments, mentions, hyperlinks, tracking, and merging workbooks. We'll also discuss how to inspect a workbook and options for sharing workbooks with others. In our last lessons, we'll look at special analysis tools, including the Analyze Data tool, Goal Seek, and 1 and 2 variable data tables. By the end of this course, my hope is that you will be comfortable with many of the intermediate features of Excel and use them to enhance and analyze your data. As you go through this course, I recommend that you stop the video periodically and practice what I'm showing you. The files I'm using in the course are available to download if your platform supports them, so you can do the same activities right along with us.